So guys, he's putting the tires on.
Normally we want to try to put one lug nut on first, so it keeps it centered.
To keep it centered
To the hub.
to the wheel hub.
And then work this way.
Done with that one. We're putting lug nuts on at the same time.
And just get it on a couple spins. Couple spins. Couple spins.
So guys,
Yes, sir. Oh, yes, sir.
Beaumont, Texas in the morning.
Beaumont, Texas.
Yes, he is.
so guys, torquing them.
Is it Texas?
Yeah. I would, just when you get there, I'd double check and make sure your tire pressure is okay.
Now we're ready to lower the car down. So guys, we're getting ready to put some oil in this car. This Cadillac DTS
Yep. Kind of like DTS.
2011 Cadillac DTS.
I'm gonna double check all the fluids real quick. Moonstar V8.
Got the engine right here.
Mm-hmm.
Got your coolant reservoir,
Yep. There's your coolant reservoir right there.
washer fluid,
Yep.
and over there is the power steering.
No, what?
That's brake fluid over there.
Yeah, that's brake fluid right there. This is your power steering right
This
here.
is power steering fluid.
Yep. That's your power steering reservoir and your power steering fluid level and all that
This
good
is
jazz.
the power steering pump.
Yep. Your power steering pump's right there.
And the water pump
Water pump's probably more likely gonna be down there somewhere.
down. It's down at the bottom of the engine.
Mm-hmm.
But right here you can see the power steering pump. Right around the belt.
Mm-hmm.
Mark that, sir. Dial 332. Flash show buses, please.
Let's go ahead and put the cap back on. and put the dipstick back in.
I'm gonna double check this man's.
He's checking the fluids,
I'm double checking everything.
double checking them, even the coolant.
Open.
And you just want to check it just to see if there's enough, so that way it won't overheat and blow your engine up.
Yep. It's gotta be cooled off.
Brake fluid's good.